Dear students, for the solutions of practice question in chapter 3rd coordinate geometry, our first question is, in which quadrant do the following point lie? Here the points are 4, 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, minus 5 and 4, minus 2, and here we will check in which quadrant these points are lie. For the quadrant, we draw a horizontal line and vertical line. This is x-axis and y-axis, and our plane will be converted into the coordinate plane or in the Cartesian plane. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, the sign of x coordinate and y coordinate are positive. Here minus plus, in third quadrant minus minus, in the fourth quadrant plus minus. Our first question is 4, 2. 4, 2 both are positive, so it's lie in first quadrant. Second part is minus 3 minus 5. Both the sign are negative, so lies in third quadrant. Again minus 2 minus 5. Both the sign are negative, so it's also lies in third quadrant. Last part is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 lies in, 4 is the x coordinate and minus 2 is the y coordinate. So these are plus minus, and plus minus lies in fourth quadrant. Our second question is, find the area of triangle formed by the point P01, Q05 and R34. For this question, first of all, draw the Cartesian plane, draw the x-axis and y-axis, and plot these 3 points P, Q and R on the Cartesian plane. First point P01, so first 0, 1, 0 is at origin and for the x-axis, and move the 1 unit on y-axis, then this is the point 0, 1. Q05, the same thing, 0, 5. And third point is R34, so first move 3 point on x-axis and 4 point on y-axis, so this is the point R, and join them. This is the triangle PQR. And find the area of triangle PQR equal to, area of triangle is half into base into height. So this is half, here base can be converted into 0, 5 and 0, 1. This is the 4 unit, 1, 2, 3 and 4 unit. 4 unit is the base, and height is 3 unit. This is the height of triangle, and this distance is equivalent to 3 unit. 2 and 4 is cancelled, and 2 3s are 6 square unit is the required answer. Our third question is, find the distance of the point P34 from the origin. For this question, draw a horizontal line and vertical line and make a Cartesian plane. This is the x-axis and y-axis. We take 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit. 1, 2, 3 and 4 unit, and plot this point 3 4. So first move 3 on x-axis and again move 4 unit on the y-axis. This is the point 3 4, and find the distance of this point from the origin. Find this distance from the origin. For this distance, here also a perpendicular. So this is, we take the origin O, we gave this name P and Q. OPQ is a right triangle, and this is 3 unit and this is 4 unit. So in a right angle triangle, using the Pythagoras property, in a right triangle OPQ, using Pythagoras property, OQ square hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here base is OP and perpendicular is PQ. This is Pythagoras. Using the Pythagoras property, so PQ is the required answer. OP is 3 unit, on PQ is 4 unit. 9 plus 16 is 25, and OQ square is 25. Therefore OQ equal to square root of 25. Then square root of 25 is 5 unit. So the distance of OQ is 5 unit. Next question is, find the angle between the coordinate axis. Here the coordinate axis is x-axis and y-axis. These are the coordinate axis. An angle between them is 90 degree. So the angle between the coordinate axis is, angle between the coordinate axis is 90 degree. Next question is, fifth question, find the ordinate of any point lie on x-axis. On the x-axis, y coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is also called ordinate. So the ordinate of any point lie on x-axis is 0, and we can written in this way, x0. So x is the x coordinate and 0 is the y coordinate, and this is called as ordinate.